Very sweet girl. How are you? Hi babe, how are you?
Babe, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Are you expecting anyone?
Yes, babe. I'm expecting my friend Empress. I gave her your address. We plan on meeting here.
Hey! No, let me
Okay.
check. Child!
Empress, are you okay?
Is this the boyfriend you told me about?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus.
Dead body go surplus.
Well, we've had something in the past.
Like, I don't understand. What do you mean that you had something in the past?
You don't understand, Ke. Oh, God, we don't knock.
You? Because I'm in danger right now.
Do you want to deny it? I have proofs and evidences. You won't deny him?
Babe, that was before I met you, seriously.
He's right. That was way before he met you. But he had a girlfriend then. The moment I found out, he blocked me off.
Jesus! Oh.
Listen, babe, I'm a changed person now, okay?
Changed, Ke. Ha! A cheater is always a cheater or changed.
Come, what is your problem now? No, what exactly is wrong with you? What is the cause of your problem? Ever since you got in here, you've been causing one problem or the other. Why can't you just accept your fate and stay calm?
She should stay calm. You want her to stay calm because I've been calm since I got in here.
You go faint.
You want to ruin her life the way you ruined mine. You got me pregnant and you left me.
What's going on here?
You left me, then you want her to stay calm because I'm staying calm now.
You listen as small pikin dey follow play abi.
Echokwem need more mature than this parrot. The very moment you got in here and kept mute, I thought you had an unplanned agreement going on. Must you spill? Can you two not see that I love your friend?
Guys, please, can you just excuse us? Let me talk to him.
It's not that normal to do.
You they go now, they go.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist.
Hey!
What's the meaning of this?
Dissolve!
Babe, what is going on here? Who is she?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
You reach out, one, reach out, reach out.